A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the English online classes. In the previous class, we have already completed the lesson A Day at the Beach. So today we are going to do the exercise part. Okay, so let's start. Listening skills. Listen to the text carefully as your teacher reads it. Then say whether the statement given below are true or false. Children, I am going to read out the statement, okay? And on the basis of the lesson we have learnt, you have to write true or false. You have to write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement, okay? The first statement is, it is a bright and sunny morning. It is a bright and sunny morning. It is true. Okay. So you have to write TRUE, true, against the first statement. Now come to the next question number 2. Arun and Rupa swim in the sea. Arun and Rupa swim in the sea. This is also a correct statement. So you have to write true against question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. At noon, they take a boat ride. At noon, they take a boat ride. This is a wrong statement. Yes or no? So you have to write FALSE, false, against question number 3. Now come to question number 4. The ships are sailing in the sea. The ships are sailing in the sea. This is also a correct statement. So you have to write TRUE, true, against question number 4. Now come to the last question, that is, Arun and Rupa are not tired. Arun and Rupa are not tired. This is a wrong statement. They are tired. Yes or no? So you have to write FALSE, false, against the question number 5. Now come to the next page, page number 50. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Children, all of you write down in the textbook only with a pencil, okay, in a neat and good handwriting. Okay. Now the first question is, where does father decide to take Arun and Rupa? Once again I am repeating the question. Where does father decide to take Arun and Rupa? The answer is, father decides to take Arun and Rupa to the beach. Father decides to take Arun and Rupa to the beach. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. How do they go? How do they go? Question mark. The answer is, they go in their car. They go in their car. Full stop. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Where do they keep their things? Question mark. Where do they keep their things? The answer is, they keep their things on a mat. Full stop. They keep their things on a mat, full stop. Okay. Now question number 4. What does mother serve them? Question mark. What does mother serve them? The answer is mother serves them some snacks. SNACKS. Okay. Mother serves them some snacks. SNACKS. Okay, children. Now come to question number 5. How do Arun and Rupa feel? How do Arun and Rupa feel? Arun and Rupa feel tired but happy. Arun and Rupa feel tired but happy. Full stop. Now come to question number 6. What do Arun and Rupa do at the beach? What do Arun and Rupa do at the beach? The answer is Arun and Rupa swim in the sea and play in the waves. Full stop. The answer is Arun and Rupa swim in the SEAC and play in the waves. WAVES waves. Okay. Now come to question number 7. Where are the ships? The question number 7 is where are the ships? The answer is the ships are sailing in the sea. Full stop. The ships are sailing in the sea. Now come to the last question. Do Arun and Rupa go to the beach in the morning or evening? Do Arun and Rupa go to the beach in the morning or evening? The answer is Arun and Rupa go to the beach in the morning. MORNING morning. MORNING morning. So you have to write the answer in the morning. Full stop. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is vocabulary part. Write the opposites of the following words. So children, some words are given over here. You have to write the opposite word of the given words. So you can see here a picture of a teddy with 6 balloons. Okay, and in each balloon some word is written over here, like sad, dull, catch, go, stand and bad. Okay, so you have to select or choose the correct word from the balloon and write down that word against the correct word. For example, come. What is the opposite of come? Go. So go is written in the blue color balloon. Okay. In the same way, what is the opposite of good? Bad. 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 So find out where bad is written. It is written in the, I think it's dark green color balloon. Okay. Now come to the next word, that is sit. Sit. What is the opposite of sit? Stand. So stand is written in the orange color balloon. Okay. So in this way you have to write the correct word. So what is the spelling of stand? STAND. Stand. Now come to the next word, that is bright. BRIGST. Bright. What is the opposite of bright? It is dull. 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 Okay. Now come to the next word, that is throw. 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 What is the opposite of throw? catch, catch, catch. Okay, come to the last word, that is happy. What is the opposite of happy? Sad, sad, sad. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 51. Add words related to each of these as shown. Children, here the first word is already solved for you. The word is beach. Beach means seashore, and the words are sea, boats, ships. From the words only we can understand that all the three words are related to the word beach. You can see the sea, boats and ships at the beach. Okay, now you have to complete the remaining words in the same way. Okay, you have to write the words similar or which belong to the given word. Okay, so the next word is weather. Weather means mausam. So the first word is already given, that is sunny. The remaining two words will be rainy and cold. RAINY, rainy. COLD, cold. Okay, so you have to write rainy and cold in the blank given over here. Now come to the next word, that is snacks. Snacks is a food item, yes or no? So the word given is chips. So you have to write the food items related to snack. You can write cake and vegetable roll. Cake and vegetable roll. VEGETABLE, vegetable ROLL, roll. Okay, so you have to write cake and vegetable roll against the word snacks. Now come to the next word, that is games. In games, bat is given here. So you can write ball and wicket. Ball and wicket are also related to the games, yes or no? So you have to write BALL, ball, and WICKET, wicket. WICKET, wicket against the word games. Now come to the last word, that is family. For family it is given mother. So you can write father and children. Both are related to family, isn't it? So you have to write FATHER, father, and CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. So children, all of you complete your notes in time, and I will give you the new words of this chapter in the PDF. You have to write down the new words in your English copy, and no need to write anything else in the English copy. Okay, thank you.